Hi, I'm Tom, a member of the product team at Assembly. Today I'm going to walk you through how and why we use our customers' file storage data to power our AI chatbot, Dora AI. As a recognition and engagement platform, our customers can make announcements and make key company documentation easier to find than ever. Dora AI makes it even easier by answering employee questions from those documents quickly and in natural language. Let me show you how Dora works. I'll start with a common question. What is our PTO policy? Dora AI is what's known as a RAG application. We index the files synced to Assembly through Merge, make them available to a vector search, and leverage the power of AI to turn top results into useful answers. Dora AI provides links to documents it used in its answer, allowing users to easily validate the response and learn more. Only documents visible to my user in the connected file storage app will be visible to me in Assembly or Dora AI. Using Merge, the leading unified API solution, we can also offer and maintain several file storage integrations with ease, from Google Drive to SharePoint to Dropbox, ensuring that all our customers can use Dora AI.